Guys, welcome back to Maze's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some oats dumpling. Okay, we heard of cornmeal dumpling and plantain dumpling, cassava dumpling, but today I'm going to be doing oatmeal dumpling. You're probably saying, what? Oatmeal dumpling? Never heard of that. So I'm going to show you, okay? Over here I have 2 cups of Quaker oats. And the oats that I'm going to be using is 1 minute oat, Quaker 1 minute oats. So I have here my NutriBullet. I'm just going to crush the oats to give it the consistency of the flour. So we have 3 cups all-purpose flour measured out. We have half a teaspoon of salt, which we're going to combine. And then we're just going to just give this a couple pulse. If you don't have a magic bullet, a blender does the same trick. If you don't have a blender, just use your hands and just massage the oats into the flour, and that will crush it. It doesn't necessarily have to be really fine. You could even just use it just like that and it still won't make a bit of difference. Okay, you'll just see large flakes of oats in your dumplings, but it does not interfere with the flavor or the taste or anything like that. You still get the same result, but I'm only using this because I have it and it looks nicer. Okay, so here we go. We're just going to give it a couple pulse and then we're going to be mixing. Okay, so just like that, not even a minute, couple seconds, and it's done. So now we're going to combine it with our 3 cups of flour. So you can do half and half. The reason I like oats because I'm not really crazy about whole wheat. I love the oats. It's healthier. Instead of using all flour, we use the oats to, make it just a little bit easier on the stomach, So here we go. We're just going to be making our dough just like we're making pizza. Okay, so here we have just regular tap water. We have 2 cups. We don't need the whole 2 cups, so we're just going to use enough to form our dough. Okay. We want a firm consistency. And you're just going to add your water a little at a time because you don't want to spoil the dough. So the tighter you go like this, then you get a firmer dumpling. You get a tighter dumpling. We call them tight dumpling in Jamaica. But if you want something a little bit on the softer side, then you go easy on kneading your dough. You just lightly combine the flour. Instead of adding pressure, the more pressure you add, you add, the firmer your dough. Lighter pressure, softer your dumplings. So it depends on how you like your dumpling. If you want them really firm, or you like them a little bit on the softer side, then you add more water or less water. These are going to be a little bit on the firm side. So I'm just gonna continue to form our dough, and then I'll come back and show you how I make my dumplings. I'll see you in a few minutes. Welcome back, guys. So as you can see, I'm finished making my dough. So now I'm just forming the dumplings. Okay. So the way you form these dumplings, just around in circles, and then you just use your finger to just form it into a nice round ball, like so. Okay, so I'll show you one. Okay, so we're just going to basically take the dough and bring it into the center. Guys, so continue making my dumpling. Here we have a piece of dough. So basically we're just do like so. I'll try to slow down so you can see what I'm doing. I'm basically taking it from the side, bring everything into the center, and just form a little point. Make it nice and rounded in the palm of your hand. Just roll it into a circle, and then you use your finger and just make a perfect circle, like so. Okay, so see, nice looking dumplings, eh? Here we go. And I had some made already, guys. I'm gonna show you how to make them nice. You see how nice the dough is? You can't really tell there's oats in there, and it doesn't taste like oats at all. It just kind of have a little consistency of whole wheat flour, but the flavor, you won't be able to tell there's oats in there. If someone don't tell you that you're eating oats dumpling, you will never know. You see, you expect to see the grains and everything, but no, it just look like normal flour dumpling. And they taste absolutely amazing. You can eat them with anything you want, and trust me. You know, one thing I used to do when my friends come over, I would say to them, do you ever have oats dumpling? They goes, ew, oats dumpling? What do you mean oats dumpling? I said, oh, that was oats dumpling you just ate. They goes, really? Like, I can't tell. I said, I know. So the taste is very subtle, guys. You can't really taste. Sure, you stir your pot, because they're gonna stick to the bottom of the pot if you don't. So just use a tall spoon, a wooden spoon or something, and just stir from the bottom of the pot. And you'll know when your dumpling is cooked because they will all float to the surface. And the cooking timer on this is about 20 minutes. And your dumpling is fully cooked. If you want to be extra, you can cook them for half an hour. But 20 minutes, 20-25 minutes, they should be fully done. You see, they're heavy now. They become lighter as they're cooked, when they're fully cooked. And then they float to the top of the water. Okay guys, welcome back. As you can see, our oats dumpling is finished. So remember when I told you that they would float to the top when they're completely cooked? So there they are. Nothing is sitting at the bottom anymore. Everything is on top, floating to the top. So here we go. Completely done. So here you have it. Nice oats dumpling. This is what they look like, and we're gonna have these with some steamed fish. You can eat this with whatever you want. Ackee, saltfish, curry fish, as my husband said, stewed chicken, jerk chicken, whatever you want. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you'll try this recipe, enjoy it, and you can have this with whatever you want. It would be nice to hear some comments to see how you enjoy this, okay? So I look forward to making a plate and show you what it looks like, to see what we serve it with. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. God bless.